Hey everyone! I have selected a variety of healthy treats for Onyx, our Pionus parrot. Today she is tasting strawberries, raspberries and blackberries. It looks like that she really likes blackberries. Can you guess which fruit or vegetable Onyx chose? Drop your guesses in the comments. No, please, not plastic. Yes, this is a chili pepper. Parrots love them the most. If you would like to see the next video where Onyx is trying chili pepper and Madame Jeanette pepper, please hit the subscribe button and follow Onyx on her adventures.